everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a rich and fudgy chocolate brownies. At the end, I hope you enjoy it. Let's make it together. If you are using a chocolate bar, use 2.5 cups of chopped chocolate. And if you don't have a bar, you can use chocolate chips. The same amount works perfectly. Don't forget, keep half a cup of chopped chocolate aside to add on top of the brownies at the end. Gently melt the chocolate with butter to get a rich, glossy chocolate mix. Now crack the eggs into the bowl, mix in sugar, vanilla, and half a cup of instant coffee. Stir everything together until smooth and the coffee is completely dissolved. Now put in the melted chocolate and butter, mix into our batter and stir well. Combine the flour, cocoa, baking powder, and salt, then fold them into the chocolate batter. Grease your pan, line it with parchment paper, and pour in the brownie batter. If you like this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends too. Take the reserved chopped chocolate and sprinkle it over the brownie batter. Place the brownies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. After baking, let the brownies rest for an hour so the chocolatey center sets perfectly. It's time to taste. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.